Good morning, student. The topic of today is vertical section of human testes. As far as this structure of vertical section is concerned, it has two parts visible in this vertical section. One is the skin of scrotum, then there is a layer or tunic known as the tunica vaginalis. This tunica vaginalis is a fluid filled coelom filled sac. This is and this is the tunica vaginalis. This provide the frictionless movement of testes, and next to this one is the tunica albuginea. This tunica albuginea is lying here, and it divides the main area of testes into these septa. These are the testicular septa, and a vertical part, this vertical part, that is mediastinum, and these septa are near about 200 to 250 in number and divide the tunica albuginea into number of chambers or lobules. These are the testicular lobule. These are the testicular lobule, and each lobule contain one or three seminiferous tubule. Seminiferous tubule. These seminiferous tubule are highly coiled structure present inside this highly coiled structure, and the end part of these seminiferous tubules become straight and join this, forming the straight that is known as tubuli recti. Tubuli recti. The tubuli recti is the straight small duct formed by the straight end part of number of seminiferous tubules present inside the lobule. Then what happens? This uh, tubuli recti join the another and form a network here, which is known as retitesti. This is the retitesti. The retitesti is a network of small ducts. Okay, retitesti. So several retitesti formed by the straight part of seminiferous tubule form a small network here in this area known as retitesti. From these retitesti, small tubes arise, and these are known as vasa efferentia. These vasa efferentia join the epididymis, the head part of epididymis, which move downward in a coiled way, which is known as corpus epididymis. And this was the caput. and here it takes a turn, and this turn part is known as CUDA epididymis. So there are three part of epididymis: caput, corpus, and CUDA. This is CUDA. Then what happens? This epididymis move upward moves upward and form the vasa difference. Okay, so this is vasa difference. So in this vertical section there are two main part. One is layers or tunic. Okay, tunic vaginalis, tunic albuginea, and one more tunic is there which surround these testicular lobules. Within the tunica albuginea is tunica vasculosa. This is the tunica vasculosa which surround these testicular lobules. So we come to the next. So as far as the vertical section concerned, the structure of vertical section of human contain testis has two part. As I told you, tunic or layer or ducts. There are three tunics: the tunica vaginalis, that is outer one, coelom filled and provide frictionless movement of testes, and it provides an indication that the testes are abdominal in origin. So how we come to know that the testes are abdominal in origin? By the presence of the coelom filled sac, that is tunica vaginalis. And then the next is tunica albuginea. It is the actual layer of testes and divide the main area of testes into horizontal septa. These were the septa. And which divide the whole area into number of lobules. Each contain one or three. The next is the vertical column, mediastinum. This was the mediastinum, and the vertical part which contains straight ducts called tubuli recti, formed by the union of straight ends of several straight part of seminiferous tubule. Then there is a tunica vasculosa. As I told you, this is the layer which is present within the tunica albuginea, and it has the rich supply of blood. So it's highly vascular, having the rich supply of blood, and present around the testicular lobules within the tunica albuginea. And then comes to the duct. The ducts are classified on the basis of their location. Intratesticular means present inside the testes. In this tubuli recti, retitestis, and vasa efferentia, all these ducts are known as intratesticular because they are present inside. And then the next one is the uh, extratesticular. Okay, or these are located outside the testes. Epididymis, vas deferens, and urethra are the duct which are located outside the testes. So all the two part in this vertical section of human testes are the layer part we will study, then ducts in the layer, tunica vaginalis, tunica albuginea, and tunica vasculosa. So I hope you will be able to understand a detailed structure of vertical section of human testes. Thank you. Have a good day, and we will come back with another topic with you. Till then, have a good day.